This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, November the 15th, 2012. And now the first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At noon today, we have a wavy pattern across the country, a bit of a trough over the center part of the country. Will bring a dry cold front across the state, only cooling temperatures off a few degrees, some upper 40s to lower to mid 50s with some mostly cloudy skies in the far east to mostly sunny skies in the far west. But skies will be altogether sunny on Friday, a couple degrees, about the same temperatures, upper 40s to lower to middle 50s after a cool night tonight. And Saturday, the winds switch to the south and a couple degrees warmer with highs well into the 50s, with still sunny skies and still remaining dry across the state and Midwest. Sunday, no real change. Winds out of the south, still temperatures maybe a degree or two warmer, maybe nearing 60 in some areas, maybe some low 60s, especially in the south and west. Monday, this is where we could have a bit of a twist, maybe a 20% crack at some showers around. Won't be an all-day rain and highs still around the 50s. Tuesday, that disturbance moves to the east, but there's nothing cold behind this disturbance, so readings still remain in the 50s, maybe a few upper 40s, with partly to mostly sunny skies. Wednesday, the big travel day before Thanksgiving. Across the country, it looks rather stormy in the north and west. A few showers across the south and east. Otherwise, around here, it'll be fairly seasonal. And a week from today, which is Thanksgiving, we have a trough moving through the northwest and northern Rockies, a ridge over the south and east, and a storm moving off the Atlantic coast. And with that at the surface, we'll see some southerly winds around here. So Thanksgiving around here could be fairly decent, highs in the 50s. There could be an isolated shower, though, mainly toward the afternoon and evening. A couple days later, here on the 26th, we have a trough digging into the country, the west, the Rocky Mountains, with a bit of a ridge, a broad ridge over the east. Big vortex up in northern Canada, and that's where a lot of the cold air is just building up there, ready to make a pounce southward, but doesn't look like there'll be a pounce of cold air coming down from there right away, but temperatures around here would be likely in the 40s. The end of the forecast on the last day of November, the 30th, a vortex off the North Carolina coast. We have pretty much a zonal flow across most of the country, and that means some seasonal weather with a possible storm across the east, another storm in the north and west, and still mainly dry around here, so the latter half of November looks fairly calm and dry around here. Last night's satellite image showed some clouds, mid and high level clouds around the Midwest back into the Rockies, some clouds with a few showers in the Carolinas down into Georgia, and elsewhere it was fairly tranquil. The watch warning map from last evening was also fairly tranquil. A freeze advisory just to the north of Houston, some dense fog advisories and freezing fog advisories in the north and west, and elsewhere nothing to be seen. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days. This is through Monday evening at 6 o'clock, showing the heaviest amounts of precipitation along the east coast and in the west, and around here maybe enough to wet the whistle.